4 cryptocurrencies, all of them under $1, all of them you absolutely need to check out. Have you ever looked at a coin like Terra Luna and wish you'd bagged more of them when the price was so low, under $1? Look, I sure wish I had, because that's a project that went from sub $1 to just about $100 in the span of 12 months. Okay, so here's the question. Right now, how can you identify solid projects under $1? In this video, we are presenting to you guys 4 altcoins that we believe hold super potential. All right, let's check them out. Right now, CoinGecko lists 12,700 cryptocurrencies, way too many. Some recently launched and are easily available under $1 and have actually made pretty good price gains since their launch. But does that mean you can go ahead or should go ahead and buy them? Well, not just yet. We need more information. For example, you need to evaluate each project, whether it will attract enough investment to yield profits, like our example of Terra Luna. And this requires a high level of crypto knowledge. And we've done the heavy lifting for you guys as usual. Without any further ado, here's our list of 4 top altcoins that are all under $1 right now, and each of which hold tremendous potential. Number 1 on our list is GRT. That is the native token of the Graph, priced right now at the time of this recording at about 43 cents. So the Graph, if you're not familiar with it, is a protocol that facilitates the smooth flow of data from one blockchain to another. So it enables dApps to utilize data from other dApps and send data to Ethereum via smart contracts. Due to the novelty and benefits of this platform, there was a rapid adoption leading to billions of queries in just 1 year after the launch. For example, right now platforms like Uniswap, Synthetics, Decentraland, and Argon are already using the Graph, and we see huge growth potential here. And that's because the project is aiming to add support to leading chains like Polygon, BSC, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Phantom, Near, and others. So slight correction, at the time of this recording, the Graph sits at about 40.5 cents with a market cap, as you can see, just under $2.5 billion. 24-hour trading volume is in the range of about $111 million. Also, it's circulating and the total supply is 6.1 and 10 billion tokens respectively. Now, this is a big boy. Its market cap is above $1 billion, which makes GRT probably a mid-cap cryptocurrency. It's safely in that category, meaning that even with a reasonable investment influx, a significant price jump can be expected. But now the question is, why do we believe GRT could see that investment influx? Well, let's talk about some of the recent developments. The Graph has launched a $205 million ecosystem fund to lure new developers to its platform. The fund is going to provide grants to teams building dApps using the Graph's querying technology, spanning sectors really as diverse as decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, decentralized autonomous organizations, aka DAOs, marketplaces, cross-chain infrastructure, and the metaverse, of course, a shared interactive and potentially immersive digital environment. And with so much happening on top of the Graph, it is waiting to turn into a complete ecosystem sitting at the center, potentially of Web 3.0. And we could soon see a huge investment interest in the Graph, which will simply translate into positive price movement. But for all these reasons and more, we feel that this is at a pretty good bargain right now, GRT. Coin number 2 on our list is none other than the sleeping beast in one of the hottest sectors of crypto, the metaverse. We are talking about GALA Games. That's GALA, really one of the most robust blockchain gaming companies in the entire ecosystem right now. Its simple game mechanics allows anyone to play without necessarily knowing anything about crypto. And also, GALA Games believes that players should control 100% of their gaming assets, which are verified, of course, in the blockchain. And just like any truly decentralized blockchain, GALA Games is supported by its users who operate GALA nodes from their computers. And right now, there are more than 16,000 GALA nodes. Furthermore, it's important to mention that GALA Games has very important partners such as Flare, Bitrue, Brave, and Polygon, and they have more than 1.3 million active monthly users and a team with more than 90 members, which have helped them to sell more than 26,000 in-game items represented by, of course, NFTs. According to CoinGecko.com, GALA, the native token of GALA Games, is currently trading at just under 26 cents with market cap, as you can see, of about $1.95 billion with a very healthy 24-hour trading volume of $928 million. The circulating and total supply is 7.5 and 36.8 billion tokens respectively. So again, circulating supply 7.5 billion and total supply 36.8 billion, where the circulating supply of tokens represents about 7.5% of its max supply. So we can't miss the fact that in the last 12 months, GALA has grown 2,200%, where its all-time high value sat at about 82 cents. And circling back to the question, why do we believe GALA holds solid potential? Well, listen to this. On the 19th of February, GALA announced Project GYRI, which will oversee the development of the blockchain GALA is building that can help power the expanding GALA ecosystem. The blockchain is expected to have the following features. So faster transactions, reduced impact on the environment, lower network fees, lower minting costs, interoperability throughout the GALA world, and transferability both to and from Ethereum. And on top of this, GALA is already building associations with NFT enthusiast celebrities like Snoop Dogg, and such associations have pushed the Sandbox and Decentraland in the spotlight already. So it stands to reason that this will help GALA as well. Number 3 on the list today of top altcoins under $1 is Oasis Network. This is a privacy-focused blockchain network tailored for decentralized finance, and it aims to help on building a responsible data economy worldwide. Apart from that, it brings scalability to DeFi that will attract early adopters to the masses by enabling private smart contracts and a high capacity to tokenize data. As a result, Oasis will provide facilities to private lending, under-collateralized loans, private AMMs, you can earn staking rewards, faster transaction speeds, very large workloads, and the creation of Paratime. The network can support a rich ecosystem of dApps and use cases. And what can't be ignored is that the Oasis Network has a robust ecosystem of contributors and partners like BMW Group, Chainlink, Oasis Labs, Balancer, A16Z, Pantera, and many others. All right, on to tokenomics. According to CoinGecko, ROSE, that's ROSE, that's the native token of Oasis Network. It's currently trading at about 25.2 cents with a market cap of $882 million. 24-hour trading volume is just under $100 million. The circulating supply is 3.4 billion tokens, and the total supply is 10 billion tokens. So quick math there, you see that the circulating supply is 34% of the max supply. And in the last 12 months, ROSE has exhibited some impressive growth of about 150%, and its all-time high was 59 cents. So with a market cap still under $1 billion, Oasis Network is relatively low market cap as a project, which means, again, that even a small influx of investment could trigger a pretty significant upward price rally. And we see it happening because in January 2022, just last month, BINANCE Labs, the venture arm of Binance, they participated in the Oasis Ecosystem Fund. And this investment would seek to grow the next generation of applications built on top of the Oasis network. And as we move toward April 2022, Oasis Network's next major upgrade will include improvement on Paratime, which is its parallel transaction processing approach that allows the Oasis blockchain to reach thousands of smart contract transactions per second, TPS. And coming back to the upgrade, the Paratime will be upgraded to support liquid staking, the next big thing in the crypto staking world. At least that's what we're putting our money on. So in short, if Binance's support works for Oasis Network, this really could be your low cap gem for the entirety of 2022. It's got tremendous potential. All right, next up, and no surprise here, a personal favorite of our channel. At number 4, we have CRO. This is the native token of Crypto.com, which is considered to be the second largest centralized exchange in the world. You may not have known that. In fact, Crypto.com is expanding rapidly to become a complete crypto ecosystem. And that's because it provides users with all kinds of things. We're looking here at the Crypto.com exchange. This is where users can make margins and derivative trades. And as you may know, they also have a DeFi wallet. This is where holders can take full control of their private keys if they so choose to earn ultra high interest rates from DeFi protocols and popular DeFi tokens. Crypto credit is another initiative. Holders can borrow up to 50% of the crypto collateral, and you can calculate the details of the credit on the website if that's something that interests you. There's also the newly announced Crypto.com NFT initiative. This is where you can buy, sell, and show your NFTs from creators and all kinds of brands worldwide. And finally, the pièce de résistance, at least as I see it, you have the Crypto.com cards. There are 7 different card types. These are metallic Visa cards that don't have annual fees, and that'll get you up to 8% in cash back. Not only that, but the higher your card tier, the more you're going to accrue interest in both the underlying asset that you stake, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, any other altcoin, plus certain bonuses that are accrued in the form of CRO. So not only do you get the great cash back, you get rewards in CRO for everything that you spend money on, but you also have very, very highly incentivized staking rates for everything that you carry with you in that ecosystem. It's just fantastic. I carry one of these myself, of course, and I am speaking to you very genuinely from personal experience. This is the best card in the game, and if you're not using one of these or an equivalent system, you're missing out. It's that simple. Okay, let's talk about tokenomics here. So according to CoinGecko, CRO, which was recently renamed Cronos, you may have missed that, but as you can see, it's reflected here. Cronos is currently trading at about 41 cents with a market cap of $10.37 billion. The 24-hour trading volume sits at about $118 million. The circulating supply is 25.2 billion, and the total supply is 30.2 billion tokens, where the circulating supply of tokens, quick math here, represents about 83% of the total supply. It's been a good year for Crypto.com. In the last 12 months, CRO has exhibited a growth of 730% with an all-time high that kind of hit just below $1, 96 cents. All right, let's talk about some of the latest developments. Crypto.com is famously celebrated for having really some of the most influential partners in the crypto ecosystem. For example, LeBron James and Matt Damon are the latest Crypto.com ambassadors. Here you're seeing a little bit of, I guess, behind the scenes footage of really what I thought was a terrific Super Bowl ad that was unveiled on Super Bowl Sunday just recently, taking LeBron James back to sort of an imaginary meeting with his younger self. Very, very well done, and a terrific new spokesperson for the brand. But CRO, the price at least movement in 2022 is going to be largely driven by the adoption of Cronos blockchain, the EVM compatible Crypto.com chain. Cronos pretty rapidly locked in a TVL over $2 billion and is presently among the top 10 DeFi protocols. Not bad. Guys, among these 4 projects, these top 4 altcoins that are available right now for under $1, we feel that really all of them at fundamental levels are looking very strong. We're confident in all of these choices. Let us know among these 4 that we've highlighted here, which one is your favorite? Which one would you like to see us add to the list? And which one do you feel has the strongest potential for 2022? Of course, guys, if you want to keep discovering all the very best projects out there, my recommendation is to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. That way you're alerted, you're up to speed with all of the latest video content that we upload to YouTube. And whether we're in a bear market or a bull market, crypto is always going to remain volatile. There's no need to be intimidated by that volatility. Bank on our experience, guys. We've been in this space for 6 years now. You can take advantage of that experience with the Access Pro plan that starts as a premium service at just $99 per month. And with it, you get early access to information on undervalued altcoin gems, such as the ones that we looked at today, technical analysis calls, NFT mint opportunities, top IDOs, airdrops, and of course you can interact with our research experts. If that is something of interest to you, check out the link in our description below. Opinions and enthusiasm, that is all that we ever convey in these videos. Just as a friendly reminder, none of this should be considered official financial or investment advice, but of course, if you do choose to invest, then we only wish you the very best of luck. Stay safe out there, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Check out these other couple of videos that should be popping up right about now. Have a great start to your week, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.